So you guys have been asking me this question ever since I started this channel, in my DMs, in my comments, and where not. And I always used to answer it with, I'm not a visa expert and I do not have much information about this topic. Until the other night when I was searching the topics for my YouTube videos and I was writing it down, I thought, why don't I contact somebody who is a specialist on this topic, whose advice would be legit and he knows what he's saying. And his advice would be able to help so many people who are wondering with the same question. What visa can I get to work as a pharmacist in the US? Or basically, how can I get my foot in the US as a pharmacist? So a couple of days ago, I contacted a very famous and well-known law firm here in Dallas, and I shot them with a cold email asking a couple of questions that you guys have been asking me, and their attorney named Coleman Jackson very kindly responded via an email. He says, "Thank you for considering our law firm's team with respect to your work with foreign students in the US studying towards becoming a pharmacist. Unfortunately, the pharmacist's occupation do not require an advanced degree. Therefore, the EB2 and EB2 NIW visas would not be available for someone coming to the US to work as a pharmacist. If they happen to be a chemist or someone with an advanced degree and notoriety in the industry, like an inventor or creator of some device, product, or method, perhaps they could come and work in the US as a chemist or other highly educated genius or famous expert in something. Arguably, such highly gifted individual could get an EB2 visa. Otherwise, the student will have to look for the family immigration visa possibility, humanitarian immigration status possibility, and or the E1, E2, or E5 investor visas, or other appropriate business visas. Some of these options could be viable depending on all the facts and circumstances of the particular student. We wish you well. If anyone desires to discuss this further with our law firm on a case-by-case basis, give them our law firm's contact information. Regards, Coleman Jackson." So all this basically means one cannot move to US if they apply for an EB2 or EB2 NIW visas. And ask me what they are. Employment-based immigration, second preference EB2 visa. You may be eligible for an employment-based second preference visa if you are a member of the professions holding an advanced degree or its equivalent, or a person who has exceptional ability. Below are the occupations. And these type of EB2 visas usually have certain requirements that need to be filled, and these requirements, the one that might be of our interest in this video, are advanced degree. The job you apply for must require an advanced degree, and you must possess such a degree or its foreign equivalent, a baccalaureate or foreign equivalent degree plus 5 years of post-baccalaureate progressive work experience in the field. You must meet any other requirements specified on the labor certification as applicable as of the priority date. And so, to be honest, all of this got me a little confused once again. I began to wonder, what if someone is visiting US and they want to take TOEFL, or say for FPGE, the exam you have to take as a foreign graduate pharmacist over here in the US. So I shot Jackson with another email saying, "Jackson, I have one more question. So if a foreign graduate pharmacist happens to come to US on a visit visa, are they eligible to take TOEFL and the first exam that is compulsory for foreign pharmacists, that is FPGE, or no?" This is a question my followers struggle with a lot, and they might be able to get a good advice from you, I believe. And he very kindly replied to my question, clarifying every single bit of confusion that I had in my head, saying, "Afsha, yes, immigrants can take the TOEFL and FPGE while visiting the US on a B1 visa. Also, pharmacists can work in the US under either an H1B visa or an H1B2 visa if they have advanced degrees. I think pharmacists are advanced degrees professionals in the US. There are also pharmacist assistants who do not have advanced degrees. So it just depends upon whether these foreign nationals that you are helping have advanced degrees or not. In both cases, H1B and EB2 advanced degree visa, the foreign nationals will have to be sponsored. That means they need an employer to file a petition for them. Hope this clarifies the issue. Regards, Coleman Jackson, attorney." So this email probably clarifies the biggest question that most of you all had. So you can take TOEFL while visiting US because you have to be within the 50 states of the United States to pass TOEFL. That is eligible to take FPGEE further down the line. So once you pass TOEFL, then you can easily sit for FPGEE even if you have a visit visa to visit the US. And I hope this video provided you value. I will leave the contact information for this law firm and especially Coleman Jackson in the description box down below. I have entirely different videos made on FPGEE, and I've also combined a playlist for this specific exam, which will be linked somewhere over here and down in the description below. So a point to make over here is that this video is not sponsored at all, and I would highly recommend Coleman Jackson's law firm because they are a top-notch law firm and they know exactly what they're doing and saying. So I'll leave all the details in the description box down below. Their number would be shared somewhere over here in the screen. This video is not sponsored at all. Feel free to contact them, and I hope this video was useful. If there are any other questions that you guys would like me to answer, please leave a comment down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. That's MedNerdygram. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again next time in the next video. Peace.